Introducing Credit Sense. With one powerful tool, you get free credit monitoring through your online and mobile banking, instant access to the factors impacting your credit score and detailed recommendations, education to help demystify how your credit score is calculated, and valuable tips to protect your creditworthiness. Easily track real-time credit monitoring alerts, get unlimited full credit report access, and find personalized money-saving loan offers tailored for you. Get all that and more, anytime, anywhere. Plus, with Credit Sense Simulator, see how your score might change before you take certain actions. As your score improves, you could qualify for better rates. Log in and check for savings. You can also refresh your credit score and report daily without impacting your score. And maybe remind you, Credit Sense is free. Now the answers to your credit questions are at your fingertips. Credit Sense. Enroll today.